Digibyte list on Coinbase. Well, there's a good news right over here. And if you go down here, you will see Digibyte is now available on OKX So what is this pointing towards? This is pointing towards the adoption of DGB token by the exchanges. That means, well, hello family, welcome back to KatochXcrypto. In today's video, I will take you through a blockchain and a token which is a sleeping giant. Guess what? This token or this chain was created back in 2014. Yes, and you can actually mine the tokens and have it. And guess what? It works like Bitcoin, but you can also deploy smart contracts over it. So without further delay, let's jump right in. Let's talk about Digibyte with native token DGB, because this one is about to wake up and make you money. So let's get started. Let's talk about Digibyte. Now, before we begin, like I always say, please do remember to press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon if you haven't already. And remember to click on the link below to join my Telegram group right away. So what is Digibyte? So around 1 month back, I covered this token. What is Digibyte? Everything about this video. You can click on the link above to watch this video to learn more about Digibyte. In this video, let us focus on the token and the price action, how high or how far it can go from current price. So in short, let me just summarize. Digibyte is a layer 1 chain and it was launched in 2013 and released to the public in 2014. So it's over 11 years that this chain is still into existence. And moreover, this is the first, you can say the first and only, the closest community-driven decentralized chain because it doesn't had any ICO. This was created and then was given to the public to create whatever they want. They can pass on the Digibyte tokens. They can create smart contracts, dApps. That is all up to them. So that is a pure example of a complete decentralized blockchain. Guess what? This is a layer 1 and it is still into existing and listed on Binance, OKX, and the tokens. Now, if you talk about this token, you can see here it is trading at around 0.01 cents, which is kind of 1 cent. And guess what? This one has a very low market cap, just $208 million only. Moreover, the circulation supply is quite big, which is 17 billion, and maximum supply is 21 billion token. But given the fact the community is very active and also they are there since the time long, since we know about the Bitcoin, you can see right over here, the Reddit page of this token is around over 10 years old and was created in Jan 12, 2014. And guess what? It is still active. Just look at here. Digibyte list on Coinbase. Well, there's a good news right over here. And if you go down here, you will see Digibyte is now available on OKX. So what is this pointing towards? This is pointing towards the adoption of DGB token by the exchanges. That means these exchanges are bullish on Digibyte, and it also means there will be pump of this token that can happen anytime. So it can actually hit the previous all-time high and can surpass further. Remember, this is POW blockchain, which is proof of work. You can mine the token and you can get the token just like people used to get Bitcoin in the past. And go down here and you will see the all-time high 17 cents that was 4 years back, and right now we are at 0.011. That means there are high chances for this token to pump higher since we are in 2025 and everyone is expecting Bitcoin to cross 200k. This token has a very high chance of hitting at least 10 cents and go further. So this can be one of the safest bets if you are planning to invest in any layer 1 chain that has a strong past. Moreover, if you look at the price action, you can see here the token has already started pumping, but if you zoom out, you will see the room for growth for this token, especially on the weekly chart, is quite high. It is at 0.01, which is 1 cent, but zoom out more and then you will realize how high it can go. Just look at here. From this top to this bottom, we are actually talking about the bottom at the moment. That means it has a potential to reach previous all-time high and actually can 10x your result very, very easily. I always call it a sleeping giant, and this is here till the existence of time. And after listing on Binance, after listing on Coinbase, after listing on OKX, that means the future of this token looks quite bright. Since the news is out, there are high chances people are going to invest in it more as we see the bull run of 2025. So what do you think about its price? I think it can hit the previous all-time high and can even surpass it, given the fact if the bull run of 2025 comes with high speed, it can really pump this token very, very high before it crashes down once again. And remember, this is proof of work blockchain. You can mine the token. How? Just go to the website and see the sheet, the documents, and you will come to know how easily you can mine it. Plus, if you want to save time, I suggest better to go for tier 1 exchanges like Binance, like OKX, and make a purchase. Of course, not a financial advice, but I believe this token is legit. It is one of my first purchases back in 2017 when I came to know about blockchain, and this one is quite a legit protocol, a completely decentralized, community driven layer 1 chain that is here to stay. And as per my information, the last Digibyte token that will be mined is in 2034. So we are heading closer to the last mining date of this token, DGB. That means if the blockchain or cryptocurrency has to spread, this token, Digibyte, and its layer 1 chain is here to stay. And we don't know, we maybe in future you will have a lot of dApps building on DGP. Well, that's a guess. Anything can happen in crypto world. Someone can really go for it and build a strong projects over it. So that's about Digibyte. What do you think about this token? What do you think about its future? Comment below, let me know. And with that, I complete my video. This is a sleeping giant that you should not miss. So let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Share your thoughts, views in the description. And I wish you a good day. Thank you.